Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Lashes and Kisses. I've been doing a couple videos today showing you guys my kit, my amazing kit. I just did a video earlier showing our amazing planner, so please have a look at that video if you have not seen it yet. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for all of my stuff. But in this video, I will show you guys this big, I guess, kit basically that it came with. So this is super exciting for me, and it's really heavy. There's nothing in here and it's super heavy. So this will help me keep all of my new stuff organized, and I do plan to actually sell all of it. The amazing thing is I have customers who already want most of that stuff there, so they're all excited. I plan to have a mini sale on the weekend to just sell it. I would like to keep everything for myself, to be honest with you, but I'm going to sell it, make a commission, and then just buy what I want for myself. So I'm super excited. I can't say enough about our amazing skincare line. I fell in love with LipSense. Amazing, right? But I think I love the skincare line even more because it's just so amazing. But this amazing kit, bag, let me show you guys exactly what it is. So check this out. It's huge, okay? Huge. It's heavy, and I just noticed that they have an area here for a strap. So that explains why I saw a strap inside. So let me show you guys. So let me just put this back here for a second. So check this out, and I'm gonna pull the pockets back so you guys can kind of see what it looks like inside. Look at that. How nice, right? So you can like literally fit all of your LipSense, a lot of products, skincare, anything. So how exciting is this? And as I said, I just noticed they have a strap in there, so I'm going to definitely use that. So if you go to parties, trade shows, a customer's house to let them try some things, this will be amazing. So if you guys don't have the big kit yet, you want it. The fast start kit, that's what I got with all of that amazing stuff. I think I got 70% off technically everything, right? There's so much product, so much amazing things in there. There's testers, I got business supplies, tons of things. So as you guys can see, it's kind of a mess, but I was just so excited to open up everything, and my puppies are playing, so sorry if you guys hear that. But look at this beautiful bag, okay? So if you guys don't have the kit, honestly, get it. It's like Christmas times 10 opening it up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.